This is an introduction to the Small Bore Expert Training course, otherwise known as SBEX. It's a course that we deliver to our business partners within the Parker Sales Company and within our distribution group in order for them to offer training locally and with local language and local expertise to our customers around the EMEA region.
This training course is about safety and potential leakage, causing unnecessary downtime at our end-user customer sites. One of the major objectives of the training is to increase the understanding of small bore tubing systems and their components. Moreover, participants learn how to improve their SBT system safety and integrity. Participants also become familiar with ways how production losses can be reduced. Another target is to augment the participants' skills and their confidence whilst working on SBT systems.